In today's video, we will be showing you how to recover your iPhone data using iMyFone. If you have ever lost your important data on your iPhone, then you know how frustrating and stressful it can be. But don't worry, because we are here to help you. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step so you can recover your lost data in no time. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. What's up guys, this is Mehran from Dynamic Tech. Let's get to know how to recover your deleted data on your iPhone. So first of all, you would have to download iMyFone application at your PC or Mac. This is the most popular and recommended software to recover data from iTunes, iCloud, or even from third-party applications. Like, you can recover your WhatsApp deleted data with iMyFone in no time. This is the iOS 16 supported, and you can recover your deleted messages, contacts, and 18 plus application data, which is really helpful. As I said, it's the most popular application for recovering data with 5 billion downloads and 4.5 rating, which is such a huge achievement. In the following situation, you can recover your iPhone data even if you have reset your iPhone. It has all the features listed. In free version, you may have a limited option, but if you just purchase 1 month plan, which is very affordable, then you would be able to recover every single image or messages. For business purposes, you can avail a huge discount on 1 year plan with customized option. Now let's get back to work. You have to download iMyFone from its official site. I have mentioned the link in the description. Just click on download, install it at your PC, and simply run the application. So this is the main interface of iMyFone. By this software, you can recover data from iTunes or iCloud. As you can see the options down below, you can even recover data from your desktop with iMyFone. The option is available right here. So simply click on iMyFone recovery and then connect your iPhone to the desktop. It will automatically detect your device, and then you can select any application from which you want to recover deleted data. For example, if you have accidentally deleted WhatsApp data, then you would have to select WhatsApp in the following icon. As for now, I want my videos and photos back to my phone, so I will just select photos and videos right here. Then simply click on scan, and now it will start analyzing data on your iPhone. So let's just wait. As you can see, we have also recovered some photos and videos from PUBG game. You can recover it to your phone or your desktop. Both options are available. Let me just save it to my computer as well as to my iPhone. And as you can see, we have got our photos and videos back at my iPhone. It's just that easy and simple to recover with iMyFone. If you have also accidentally deleted your important data, then stop worrying, download iMyFone and recover all your data from any application. So that's it. If you guys have any question in your mind, let me know in the comment section right below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.